All right, so we're gonna do this quickly because the rain has subsided. Yeah, I'm still a little wet. That's okay. We are doing a Blackstone video today, and today we're going to do teriyaki chicken sliders. Very excited about this one. We're gonna make a teriyaki sauce. We're gonna make a fancy mayo. So let's get started. So first is the sauce. Sauce, pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy, super simple. We are going to start with a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and about 2 teaspoons of fresh grated ginger. And then I have here about 3 large cloves of garlic. Mince that up, add that to the bowl. And then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of rice vinegar, just a wee bit. I'll give that a good whisk. Okay, set him off to the side. Next, we're gonna make our sauce. All I'm doing is just a simple sriracha mayo, nothing crazy. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha, however spicy you want it. About a teaspoon of rice vinegar, and then about 1/3 cup of olive oil mayo. Give that a mix. And then I'm gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, there's our sauce. And then lastly, as kind of the topper or extra whatever, I have some pineapple rings that we are going to make a glaze for. Again, super simple glaze. We're gonna do about a 1/4 cup of honey, about a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon, again, however spicy you want it, of chipotle chili pepper powder. And then to kind of help thin it out, about a teaspoon of rice vinegar. Give that a mix. So that's everything for that. Obviously, I've got my sauce, but I don't need that right now. So I got my Carb Smart buns, my sauce, pineapple rings. We're gonna add some green onion to our chicken. And then I got some mozzarella cheese to the Blackstone. All right, so we're back inside. I'm gonna pick my prettiest pineapple rings. I'm gonna cut one guy in half so that he fits on there. Sprinkle just a little bit green onion on top, just like so. All right, and then drizzle a little bit of our sauce on here. Then top layer on, I'm gonna take just a little bit of olive oil on top and just kind of take a spoon or take your brush, rinse your brush out, and then spread it around. But then, for decoration, a little bit of sesame seeds. All right, and there you have teriyaki chicken sliders. Let's eat. All right, Lotties, let's go with this guy in the corner here. Not bad. Cheers. So first off, big fan of pineapple. I love pineapple. Pineapple's delicious. I don't really do grilled pineapple a whole lot just because I don't do it. I don't know why. I just don't. With the honey, the little bit of heat, and then just the sweetness that comes from pineapple anyway, delicious. The little bit of char that it has on it gives it something. And then the mayo adds a little bit more spice to it. Yeah, and then that teriyaki glaze really gives it a nice kind of sweet coating on the chicken. This is a lot better than I expected it to be, and I'm all right with that. And the pineapple's cooked long enough to where it's soft, so you're not like when you eat an onion ring that's not quite cooked all the way through, and so you take the whole onion with you. It's like that. This, bite through it, it's clean. It's still got that, pineapple structure to it. Yeah, fire, love it. Well guys, there you have it. Chicken teriyaki sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!